In this lecture, I will discuss about construction drawing types, like what types of drawings are required for the construction of a building or any structure on the site. Okay, like what type of architectural, structural, electrical, plumbing drawings are required, or for aesthetic interior drawings are required for the construction. First of all, introduction. Different types of drawings is used in construction such as architectural drawings, structural drawings, electrical drawings, plumbing drawings, and finishing drawings. These drawings provide layout plans and details for construction of each and every part of the building. Means these all drawings are needed for the details and for the construction of each part of the building. Why drawings are needed? Drawings plays an important role in the construction field to convey the ideologies and perspective of the designer to the layman at the site. So whatsoever designer design in the office, he can convey the idea through design through drawings to the layman at the site. Construction drawings are drawings used to represent a structure before the build. Means before the start the building of the of any building, construction drawings are made. Today, most drawing prints are created by computer-aided drafting like AutoCAD, etc. Or there are many other softwares like Autodesk, Revert, SketchUp, etc. These drawings can be used to represent residential drawings, commercial drawings, landscaping, and industrial drawings. Okay, with the help of these drawings, we can do our work regarding residential, commercial, and industrial. The drawings include all type of specifications of inside and outside of each part of the building. Mean aesthetic sense, mean structural wise, architectural wise, all types of details are present in the construction drawings. When a building is being built, the print must get approved before the ground is broken for construction. Means whatever drawings we made, either architectural, structural, these drawings must get approved from the concerned housing authority, concerned developing authority, so that before the start of the construction. Components of construction drawing. The basic component of any drawing, that is title block, border, drawing area, revision block, legends. Title block, here where the title block, title of the drawing, name of the engineer, name of the technologist, whatever the person who is designing the drawing, that come in the title block. Border, that are the margins, top, left, right, bottom. And drawing area, where the drawing is to be drawn in the drawing sheet. Revision block, that for that separate block is provided. For example, when the drawing gone into the field, and due to some changes on the side or some locality issues, there need to be revision in the drawing. For that purpose, revision table is present. For example, first revision, second revision, third revision, like that. Legend. So in legend is used for labeling. So whatsoever material you have used, like if you are using concrete, you have to specify FC prime, 3000 psi or 24 megapascal, whatsoever units are using. And similarly for steel, you have to also specify the grade. So in the legend, you specify the labels, dia, material, etc. 6 major types of drawings that comes under the heading of construction drawing. In the heading of construction drawing, there comes 6 major drawings. First one, architectural drawings, structural drawings, electrical drawings, plumbing drawings, finishing drawings. And sixth one, sometimes fire protection is also included in the drawings. For example, fire exit plans, etc., like that, or fire alarms. So for that also drawings are provided. And sometimes these fire alarms drawings are included in the electrical, and sometimes a properly separate department create the drawings for the fire protection. First one, architectural drawings. Architectural drawings can be termed as the mother drawing for all the other drawings used for constructions. Means for the start of any building, first of all, architectural drawings are made. Architectural drawings are made after the discussion with the clients or the customer whose design are you going to make. For that purpose you make discussions with that person, like what is the requirement of the design, what is the property area, how many number of rooms are required, like all type of information you get from the client, and then you make the proposal. Then you submit the proposal to the client. If the client accept that proposal, then you go for the next steps. And in the architectural drawing, it contains all the details of the project, such as location, site plan, setting out plan, elevations, sections, and other details. I will discuss these details in the coming slides. Finalization of architectural drawings depends upon client need, requirements, and desire. Means architectural drawings are finalized after the discussion with the client's needs, or if the client has specific desires regarding his building, like my building should be monumental, whatsoever. So you have to finalize with the discussion, or with the discussion of client. In the architectural drawing, first of all, site plan. First of all, site plan is marked, or you can say the property map is marked. You can make from the Google map, or you can make by yourself in the AutoCAD. Okay, for example, in this picture you can see that the colored picture is the proposed area of construction, where the building will be going to build. And on the sides, road plan is shown. Okay, what type of buildings are present, how much spacing is present between the other buildings. So these all things come in the site plan. This is the primary drawing used for marking out the plan on the ground. Okay, you mark the marking on the ground as per your requirements or your client requirement. It represents the location, where the location of the building. uh, Orientation means what is the orientation, which side is the front side coming to the road side, and which side and what is the north direction. And information about the side's topography, landscaping, utilities, and side work. It also gives the information, like how is there any trees are present, topography, landscaping, all types of information we get in the site plan. Here is a simple site plan. Okay, here is a property line, that is the client property, and in the inside the building will be going to build, and how much spacing from the left, right, bottom, and what is the north direction. So this is a simple basic site plan for the building. Working floor plans. If there is a 3-story building, then you have to make 3 floor plans. What types of details are present in each floor? Working floor plans, what information we get? This drawing gives the information of horizontal dimensions. Means horizontal dimension mean length, width of the building, thickness of wall, clear spaces inside the wall, like how many spaces between the rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, etc., and column locations. It also shows the opening required in the building, like such as doors, windows, and ventilators, where windows will come, where doors will come. So these all informations we get in the working floor plans. We also label, like what is our bedrooms, what are our TV lounge, and where is garage. So all types of information are present in the working floor plans. Section drawings. Section drawings represent the material of construction to be used, heights and measurements of different components of buildings, type of structural components such as type of slab, etc. It represents the drawing when the building is cut through a vertical plane. For example, this is a building. When building is cut in the vertical plane, then the view will be like that. So we get the what is the height of the story, what is the material of the slab, all types of information we get in the section drawings. And this is another section drawing. Here is the slab section of the building throughout. You can see here is the floor details, roof details, what are the heights, what are the heights where the windows will come. Okay, so all types of informations related to material and heights will come in the section drawings. Elevation drawings, that is again very important parameter of architectural drawings. Elevation drawings represent the information of opening, size and shape of external surface, height of the building and finish of the building after completion. Okay, how the building will look like after the completion. For that we make the elevation drawing. What will be the size of windows, what type of the door will be provided, or either tiles are provided, or what type of material will be used, that we show in the elevation drawings. And with different shapes, like you can see. Okay, here the gable roof system, flat roof system we show in the elevation drawings. These drawings are made by having aesthetic view of the buildings. Okay, means for the beautiful function or beautiful looking of the building, we prepare the elevation drawings. Now next is the structural drawings. Structural drawings can be termed as the backbone drawing of the building. It consists all the information about the structural intervention that are coming on the building. Means whatever type of loading that is coming on the building, means how much slab thickness will be needed, how much slab walls thickness will be needed, how many columns will be needed, what will be the size of the footing, and is it the footing can bear the load from the upper portion of the story. So all types of things comes after the finalization under the structural drawing. It contains many types of drawing within with very minute details and description, means very clear and detailed description is provided in the structural drawing. First portion of the structural drawing, that is journal notes. This is more of a codes and bylaws of the buildings. Like you are using a concrete of a strength 20 megapascal, but the code allows, ACI code allows that you cannot go below 17 megapascal. So we are following the codes and bylaws of the building. No drawing is found in this, but the details of all the structural drawings are mentioned in this, such as concrete mix, lapping length, curing time, abbreviations, codes, and other work procedures. For example, if any person make a structural drawing, like what the code he followed, like he followed a Indian code, American code, UA code. Okay, and what is the concrete mix, like 1 ratio cement, 2 ratio sand, and 3 ratio concrete, lap length for bars, how much curing time, abbreviations, codes, and other work procedures are all mentioned in journal notes. Okay, here is the journal notes, like the code, what code has been followed. This is sample drawing, journal notes drawing. What is the reinforced steel, concrete clear covers, transfers or shear reinforcement or ties, what is the lap length. So all types of details are provided in the journal notes. Sometimes there are 1, 2 or 3 drawings just for journal notes. Excavation plans. This drawing represents the footing excavation dimension, column position, footing plan, and grid lines of column. Like this is the center line showing the wall, okay, blue line, and the outside portion is indicating that we need to excavate this portion for the footing layout of this wall, and then the wall will be constructed on this footing. So for the excavation, we need to excavate on the left and the right side of the wall to construct the wall on that location. So that is the foundation plan, or you can say the excavation plan. This is another example. Here the columns and that is the column footing pad, and extra length is in the excavation is provided for the shuttering, for the placing of concrete. So this is the excavation plan. Column layout plan. Okay, the column layout plan, this drawing represents the position and orientation of columns and column reinforcement details, where the column will come after the structural analysis of the loads, external parameter, earthquake, wind loads, gravity loads, all types of loads. The column sizes and thickness are decided, and their steel reinforcement is provided in the structural drawings. This is another example, the column layout plan, column spacing, okay, in the grid form is shown in this second example drawing. Beam layout. This drawing represents the roof beam, lintel beam, plinth beams. Plinth beams are provided in the beams which comes in the ground level. Position and orientation of beams and beam reinforcement details. In the beams layout, we get all types of beams details. Roof beams that comes in the slab, lintel beams, plinth beams, lintel beams that comes over the windows, doors, etc. This is the sample drawing of the beam. This is the length of the beam, top parts, bottom parts. These are the ties, and this is the section view of the this beam. Slab layout. In the structural drawing, this drawing represents the layout of the slab and slab reinforcement details. Okay, here slab first panel, second, third, fourth, slab bottom reinforcement, top reinforcement, and at the spots what type of reinforcement. The dotted line shows the top reinforcement and the solid lines show the bottom reinforcement. Okay, so in the structural drawing, that is also very important. And one more thing, in the structural drawing, there are some other drawings are also provided, like for the water tank structural details, for the staircase or the stairs structural details. These all details also provided in the structural drawings. Next one is the electrical drawings. In the electrical drawings, we provide the location of circuits, wiring location, etc. Or lights. Electrical drawing represent the details of the electrical fixtures, location of switches, fan, light, and others. It also represents the load calculation, circuits, electricity, wiring path, and other interventions such as AC and UPS and its components. Okay, so all the wiring is calculated depending upon the building load, the thickness of wires, all calculated in the electrical drawings. Plumbing drawings. In the plumbing drawings, give the location of sanitary, piping for water supply system, fixture, and the process to connect every fixture. Okay, here is a bathroom, okay, kitchen, other bathroom. All the details of sanitary are provided in the plumbing drawing. Finishing drawings. Finishing drawings represent the finish type of every component of the building, such as flooring pattern, painting colors, false ceiling shape, plastering texture, and elevation design. These details are sometimes given in the elevation drawings also. Okay, and some part is given separately, like in this drawing you can see the interior details are shown. Okay, like wooden work, what will be the color of the walls. Okay, so all types of come in the finishing drawings for the interior and for the exterior. There is no standard rule of drawings required for a project. Depending upon the type of building and requirement, types of drawings are made and issued. One thing should be clear, that these all drawings can be arranged as per our own needs. Like it is not compulsory that you should make beams drawings or columns drawings first. You can arrange as per your requirements. Okay. And mm, the hard and fast rule, there is no such hard and fast rule for making these drawings. And you can make like section up and beam details bottom, so all things you can do up and down. Okay, but the main thing that you should provide details of all elements on the drawing, so that on the side the person who is going to construct, that person do not face any issues. Now you have the knowledge, you can create your own, very own set of drawings. Now you get the idea for the construction, what types of drawings are needed: architectural, structural, electrical, plumbing, and finishing drawings. Okay, you can make this set of drawings and you can share with your client and your customer, and you can go for earning. So that's all for today's lecture. Have a nice day.